Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HTC U23, and now I'm going to show you how to improve battery life on this device. To do it, firstly, you need to open the control panel and disable all unnecessary features. So, if you are using Wi-Fi and mobile data at the same moment, you need to disable one of them. Disable newbie share if you wanna save your battery life. And of course, disable the location services. To do it, click on the pencil button, find here location, and then drag location to the upper part of your screen. Go back, then you will have location here and disable it. Click close, and location services are disabled. Then of course you need to open the settings application, and after that you need to scroll down and open screen display. So as you have the LCD, not the LCD but LED screen, it means that in dark places your screen is just disabled, and if you wanna improve your battery life, just enable the dark theme. And the last thing you can do to improve battery life, to improve the battery performance on your device, you need to open the battery and enable the battery saver mode. Click turn on, and cool, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.